Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 335D Msport Saloon here at Your Next Car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'll make my way around, I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle, but once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior features. This vehicle does benefit from the full BMW Mperformance body styling pack, all of which you'll see as we go around the vehicle. And this vehicle is absolutely packed full of other options and features, so I'll be sure to get through as many as possible. This is possibly one of the most unique and bespoke 335D Msport saloons in the UK, and we are definitely happy to say that. At the front, you'll notice the Mperformance gloss back kidney grills, Mperformance front splitter. We've got the lovely BMW LED headlamps. Alloy wheels are the 19-inch LA Msport alloy wheels, which are in the Bi-Orbit grey, and they are in fantastic condition. All the way around, we have the Bridgestone Potenza RFT tyres. The suspension is on the AC Snitcher lowering springs, which BMW do warrant, so there's no issues there if you have any queries regarding that. BMW do sell them as an aftermarket part, so they are always a good choice if you are looking to do that yourself. However, this vehicle already comes with them. Just as a sign of things to come, the previous owner on this vehicle has carried out some very unique touches. One of those being included is the centre floating centre caps. So as you can see there, they do self-centre. So as you're driving along, the BMW logo will stay nice and upright. You will also notice it has the M Sport Plus pack. And just as a sign of how well this vehicle has been kept, look at the condition of those brake discs and brake calipers. The vehicle itself has covered just over 17,000 miles and has just been to BMW for a full service, thanks to the previous owner for doing that just before bringing in the car. You will also notice the full genuine carbon fibre mirror caps, the privacy glass, the satin side vinyls, sidebars and Mperformance decals, once again all genuine BMW parts. Moving on to the interior where things get just as, if not even more special. We have got the full Mperformance interior trims, Alcantara top half, carbon fibre trims, which goes right through onto the centre console, and we also have that lovely armrest which is done in full Alcantara. Carbon fibre door carpools. Of course, thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, we also have got the Harman Kardon. You'll also see we've got the M Sport sill plates as well. The front seats are of course heated, as well as having the electric lumbar adjustment. I will apologise if I am talking rather fast in this video, but there is still so much to get through on this video that I do want to try and cram as much in as possible. There you can just get another sense of how clean and tidy this vehicle is. In the rear is of course the Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course not forgetting that lovely black headlining, thanks to the vehicle being an M Sport model. And of course those interior trims do follow through right into the rear of the car. Moving on to the boot area where we find the Mperformance carbon fibre rear spoiler. We have the satin black diffuser. The vehicle is equipped with a rear facing reversing camera, and again you will have a display of that very shortly when I jump inside the driver's side. There you can see just how large the boot space is on the 3 Series Saloon. There is storage to the left and right hand side. Moving on to the driver's side, we can see just how well this works as a all-round package, with of course that carbon fibre and the black on the mineral grey exterior colour. And of course how well these 19-inch alloy wheels sit on the 335D Saloon. And of course, not to forget, being a 335D, you do get that BMW superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. And it is of course equipped with the 8-speed Sports Auto gearbox. So we're going to go ahead now, I'll open up the driver's door and straight away you'll notice something very special. We have the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, however it has been fully retrimmed in full Alcantara with that lovely red stripe at the top. It retains all of its normal functionality of the normal M Sport steering wheel, however it just made that a little bit special and it really does give you a nice feeling to when you drive the vehicle, being in that Alcantara. We have the power fold mirror function, which can be controlled using the button there or of course on the key fob. Give you a nice close-up of those full genuine carbon fibre mirrors. Stepping inside the vehicle, again things are really going to be nice and special in here for you should you choose to own this vehicle. Again, give you a nice close-up look at that Alcantara Mperformance dashboard trim. On first view, this dashboard, the professional wide navigation and media screen may look normal. However, this is an Android 10.1 screen. This screen was actually brought in from America and costs in and of excess of over £1,000 because of what it can do. It has been coded so it will do everything that the normal professional wide navigation and media screen will do on a normal 335D or any other BMW for that matter. So at the moment you'll see I've got the vehicle status screen up. It is displaying the tyre pressures. Not only that, it's been coded to display tyre temperatures, which is always generally a thing that's exclusive to M3s and M4s and genuinely M cars. If we click onto media, we get the normal display for your media functions, i.e. CD, external devices for your Bluetooth. It still retains the normal DAB functions. And if we click down into the vehicle information screen, you'll think nothing's really changed just yet. However, I just want to show you all of the vehicle service information and service history. As you can see there, 14,000 miles. Clicking up to the service history, you can see there it last visited BMW at 17586, where it had a major service, and the vehicle has only just covered 17,803 miles. However, if I'm to click the navigation button, this is when you'll really see how the differences are made on this car. It now brings up Google Maps, and this is all integrated on this Android 10.1 tablet. And now if I click this button here, I can now swipe along, which is something that traditionally you can't do on this year 3 Series, thanks to this being a completely different screen. I can click internet browser, and once a phone is paired to this, I can have access to pretty much anything I would like you would do on any normal tablet, i.e. an iPad or an Android tablet. You'll see down here icons for Facebook, YouTube, Amazon. That is all accessible on this tablet, as well as a wide variety of so much more. It's incredible what this thing can do. As you see there, we've got File Manager. We've also got a complete custom dashboard. So as you can see there, it'll bring up revs and miles per hour. And that's all linked, as you can see. And that all works perfectly well and has been carried out to the utmost highest standard. Again, there is more. As you can see there, you can add different apps. You can have phone link. All you have to do is just pair your phone to this and you can have your own Wi-Fi connection. So a really nice bit of kit. You can also swipe between different apps. Again, it works exactly like your tablet would at home. And then all you have to do to go back to the normal setup is go to car information, and it brings me back to the normal looking professional wide navigation and media screen. A fantastic bit of kit, and not forgetting the integrated wireless charging dock, which works perfectly well like a one that is fitted in the newer 3 Series. Really nice bit of kit. So there we have it, the absolutely astonishing 335D Msport Saloon here at Your Next Car. This is a vehicle that definitely needs to be seen in the flesh to be truly appreciated, so I would highly recommend giving the support and booking a viewing to come and see this vehicle. As always, I do hope you really found this walk around useful. If you require any further information, there will be a link down below in the description, and there is some still images to view of this vehicle, of course. Thank you very much for watching. We do of course hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.